Passenger buses were the targets of an inspection by MTRCB officials today, and several of them were apprehended for showing movies not classified as general patronage or parental guidance. Pircilin Pialago reports.
Bus drivers in Cubao bus terminals were surprised with a sudden inspection by members of MTRCB. Headed by MTRCB Chairman Toto Villarreal and some board members, some air-conditioned bus units were accosted. The agency aims to remind erring drivers not to show on board obscene and scandalous films, as well as those not classified as GRPG. First spotted was Peña Francia Tours. Confiscated were several DVDs without optical media board and MTRCB approval.
Ang kanilang allegation, it is a CD ng laman ay yung Chinese Zodiac ni Jackie Chan. Okay, now that is PG. Okay, but we do not know what's inside because the material itself does not contain any marking of an MTRCB review.
MTRCB also emphasized that the use of USB or any kind of hard drive to show movies on board buses is a violation.
Yung USB, in the sense na paano mo masasabing dumaan sa amin? Simple lang naman ang tanong ko. Kasi kung merong gusto kayong i-play at ipakita sa publiko, kung theater kayo, dinadala po ang material mismo sa MTRCB. Yung tinatanong ko sa kanila, dumaan ba ng MTRCB dito? Hindi po. Ang nangyayari po, ang nagiging MTRCB ay ang konduktor at ang driver.
Passengers and bus drivers, however, agree with this initiative of the MTRCB.
Okay naman, kasi para sa mga bata. Minsan kasi may mga paseros ako nakikita dyan, may mga bata rin maliliit. Okay din naman.
Kasi meron din mga palabas na medyo hindi tagatugma sa mga bata.
Din kasi nagiging aware yung magulang pati yung mga sumasakay na kung alin yung dapat panoorin at hindi dapat.
Authorities reiterated that violators will face from 3 months up to 1 year of imprisonment, a penalty of 2,000 to 5,000 pesos, and cancellation of franchise. Chairman Toto calls on passengers to be vigilant and to report violators at mtrcbchair@gmail.com or text at 0919-990-2635. For People's Television, Pircilin Pialago.